Alright, so now we have to figure out how to pack everything we need for this trip into a carry-on. I don't feel like I need a bigger bag, and I really honestly don't feel like waiting to get my huge luggage. I feel like getting there, getting out as fast as possible so me and my best friend can go have as much fun in Colorado as possible. Y'all know what I'm saying. So let's see if we can get everything we need in this carry-on. Oh, fingers crossed. So first things first that we have to pack is our ski gear. So the first thing is the Arctic pants. Love these things. I just got them on Tuesday. They fit perfectly. I feel snug and warm in them, and I'm excited to get on the slopes with them, okay? And then we have the dope jacket. Look at that. Bam. But these are not the only things that can keep me warm. You always gotta have some long johns, guys. Come on, y'all knew that was coming. Long johns are always a necessity when you're skiing or when you're snowboarding or whatever winter sport you're doing, because guess what? It gives you that extra warmth. So let's see if we can fit all of this in this little bag. Wish me luck. We did it, guys, with the whole top to fill up for other days. I'm feeling good thus far, and the crazy thing is I have travel cubes. I think travel cubes are going to be coming in very, very handy for this trip. Now we just fit the other one on the other side and then put our toiletries and we're good to go. I can't believe our toiletries and, you know, the underwear and all that, bras and stuff. I can't believe we just packed everything we needed for this trip into a carry-on bag. I'm learning a lot that anything is possible when you put your mind to it. Alright guys, it's all in there. The question is, will it close? Y'all about to see the real struggle. Alright, it fit and it zipped. Gonna have to do the same way on the way back. I'm not buying anything, but the good thing is I still have my backpack, so if I need to put anything in my backpack, from my bag to my backpack, it's fine. So, because there's not going to be a lot in my backpack. So, if they say it's too heavy, just throw a couple cubes in there, and voila, it'll be lighter. But it shouldn't be too heavy. It should be a good amount. So, anyway, I am tired, and I'm done packing. So, I'll see you guys in the next journey to Colorado. Man, I cannot wait. Travel day coming your way next Saturday. Stay tuned. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next journey. Oh wait, as always, enjoy the journey. Your journey is significant. Peace. What up, people? Go Colorado. What?